Welcome back class 7. Today we will continue exercise 1.2. Here question number 8. Simplify using property of multiplication over addition. So what is the property of multiplication over addition? If we have three integers like this a, b and c, and in that case a plus b plus c and a multiply in bracket b plus c equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. So see carefully, it is in the form like that. So we will simply write this 5 only one time in this form, and we will write minus 5 multiply in bracket 6 plus 4. The question is given in this form and we have written this question in this form. Now simply we will add 6 plus 4 equal to 10. When we multiply 5 to 10 we got 50, and one integer is negative, one positive. We know that when we multiply negative integer to positive, the product will be negative. So this will be answer for this. One more question I have copied here. Same as we will write 25 only one time like this, and take this minus 15 in bracket, and here it is plus, write plus and positive 12. After that we will write 25 as it is, and see carefully, one integer is negative and one integer is positive. When integer has opposite sign we will subtract. So when we subtract we got here negative 3, and when we multiply 25 with 3 we got 75. See carefully, 25 is positive and 3 is negative. So product will be negative, and this is the answer for this question. Now here question B, C, D, E and F you will solve yourself in your notebook. Question number 9. Fill in the blanks and identify which property of multiplication is applied here. So firstly see carefully, 8 and answer is also 8. This is negative, this is also negative. It's really here we have multiplied with 1, and negative 8 multiplied with 1 we got negative 8. So here which property of multiplication is applied here? Here multiplicative identity. Okay. Now here negative 3 multiply with 5 equal to dash multiply with negative 3. It means opposite हुआ है. So यहाँ पे we will write here 5. And here which property of multiplication is applied? That is commutative property. So here applied commutative property. Same as here we will multiply with 0. So here property of 0 is applied. 4 multiply with negative 7 multiply with 6, and here grouping is changed. So here it came here negative 7, and this, here which property of multiplication is applied? Here applied associative property. Okay. So you will write this in your notebook. Now question number 10. Use the property of division and state whether the following statements are true or false. So here see carefully, 18 divided by 0 equal to not 0, because so here this statement is false. By using the property of 0, here this statement is true, and here we use property of 1. Its statement is false. By using a property of 0 property का use करके, ठीक है. Here plus 2 by 3 is an integer? No. This is a fraction. So, false. It is also true. So, here we use, firstly we solve this bracket, and after that we got 3, and 3 divided by 3 we got 1. So, it is true. Here question number 11, it is saying that evaluate the following. Question A I have copied here, 35 divided by negative 7. So for a moment we forgot the negative 7. We take this at positive 7. Thus we know that 7 5s are 35, and here answer will be 35. But here one integer is negative and one is positive. In that case we got negative answer. Clear? Now here one more question I have copied here. Negative 105 divided by negative 15. Both number are negative. Thus firstly we will forget the negative number, and we know that 15 sevens are 105. So here came 7. And see carefully, both number are negative. When both number are negative or positive, जब both number के साइन जो होते हैं सेम होते हैं, उस कंडीशन में जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं, अगर साइन सेम है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा, और अगर साइन डिफरेंट है, वन पॉजिटिव है वन नेगेटिव, उस कंडीशन में हमारा जो आंसर होगा वो नेगेटिव होता है. सो हियर आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. ओके, पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. इट इज पॉजिटिव 7. क्लियर? सेम एज यू विल सॉल्व डी, सी, ई and F. Now fill in the blanks. 25 and here remaining negative 1. It means it is divided by negative 25. Clear? Here negative 7 and 49. Answer will be negative 7. Here it is 17 and it is also 17. It is divided by 1. Here 18 and here 2. It is negative. It is also negative. It means here came positive. Because if one positive number and one negative number in division, and we got negative answer. So here came 9. Same as here negative 3. Because 3 8s are 24. Same as here negative 1. Thus we have completed this exercise, and I hope you will solve this also and send me pic of your homework. Thank you.